Now this KLCC residence has one feature that no new condo can replicate, and many people don't even know about it. Welcome to K Residence. Now located on Jalan Ampang, K Residence is the only condo in Kuala Lumpur with an underground direct access to the Twin Towers. Okay, just a quick one. If you're looking for a property in Kuala Lumpur, me and my team has prepared a guide, a top 20 condos in Kuala Lumpur for 2025. It's absolutely free. Please download it. You can check it out in the description below. I'll give it to you for free. And yeah, if you want to know more about living in Kuala Lumpur and what are the awesome properties, don't remember to subscribe to my channel as well for future updates. Now let's get back to the tour. Right in front of us, of course, we have Four Seasons, and then below is Shops Mall, and right opposite, of course, is Avenue K. Now K Residence is located just on top of Avenue K, and of course, if you don't want to use the underground access, you can even use the pedestrian crossing as well, right in front of Avenue K here. You are just literally opposite the Twin Towers, with huge rental demand from offices, corporate offices, tourists, people looking for holiday home. Now with that being said, let's go inside the mall itself, check it out. So this is Avenue K. And yeah, it's quite an old mall actually. It's probably around 20 years. Yeah, 20 years already. K Residence is completed in 2007 with 50 floors and with only 188 units. So it's quite low dense. Sizes ranging from 3,000 square feet all the way to 6,000 square feet. Although it's got a very old mall, but due to its location, it's so strategic. It's just like 5 minutes walk to Twin Towers, and there's a lot of corporate towers around here. So during rush hour and lunchtime, you can see a lot of people walking around actually. The traffic flow here is good. That's the reason why it's been surviving so well for the last 20 years. This is the lobby area. High ceilings, double volume ceilings with very nice dark sofas. So this is where you can actually wait for your clients or your customers, to come by. And this entrance, is directly, later you see that entrance is directly connected to Avenue K itself, which is super convenient. Okay, we have reached the intended floor. On one floor you have 5 units served by 6 lifts. So you don't need to wait long actually for your lift to come. Okay, that's the cool part. Alright, now let's go and take a look at the unit itself. Okay, so this unit is 3,000 square feet, 3-bedroom. Of course, first you enter in, there's a very spacious living area. It's curved, and the floor-to-ceiling windows, actually wraps around the whole unit itself. And you have balconies outside. And over here, of course, you have all the planned works, and this is how it's going to look like when it's finished. About 3 to 4 months time, the renovation. First now you see it's a bit messy and all, but it's going to be a before and after video. Okay? So when it's finished, renovated, I'm going to come here again and take some nice video. And of course, this is the kitchen area. It comes with the wet and dry kitchen. And this is the maid's room. And the maid's room even comes with an ensuite bathroom as well. Let's check out the bedrooms. How spacious is it? Okay, and of course, this is the shared bathroom. You can use it like a powder room as well. I call it a powder room because it doesn't have a shower area. This is the bedroom number 1, because bedroom number 1 comes with an ensuite bathroom and floor-to-ceiling windows. And of course, you have doors as well to head on to the balcony. And this is bedroom number 2. Hello bang. Hello baya. Makan Mau minum? Minum. Tak. Okay, Coke, more Coke, 100 plus. Okay, so the workers are actually working here. So that's bedroom number 2. Don't want to disturb them. This is the master bedroom. This master bedroom is almost as huge as the living room actually. It's at the other end. So the master bedroom, of course, it comes with the balcony, and this balcony actually wraps around the whole unit itself, as I said earlier. And if you have seen my earlier videos, which is the oval, it's almost similar actually. You have wraparound balconies that wraps the whole unit itself. Besides huge amount of natural light, you get unobstructed view of the KLCC skyline. So over there, That is Mayang Court actually. And over that plot of land right there is Hana Suit. This is by Axim, a developer. That's something that we are also selling as well. And this one is Kylie Suits over here. Okay, this is the King Hotel, and that is what they call Chorus Hotel over there. And of course over here, this is Sofitel Oxley Tower. And not forgetting Four Seasons with such nice facilities. One of the nearest branded residence you can have, which is nearest to the Twin Towers, and that's of course a 50-acre park. And over there is the new mall at Ombak KLCC as well. And of course this is the Twin Towers. Okay, how close are we? Yeah, fantastic. When you talk about balconies for luxury condos in Kuala Lumpur, it's actually very rare. And if it's a wraparound balcony like this, it's a whole different level. That's very, very, very rare. If you have seen my earlier video on the Oval, which is located in Lorong Kuda, very, very close to KLCC Park, walking distance in fact, that one has a wraparound balcony, alright? You can see it over here. Okay, there's a link. Check it out. I think you can see the Oval from here as well. Let me change. So that is Ombak KLCC. And that's the Oval. You see this building over here? Yeah, that's Oval. And of course you have Felda Towers. That will be Binjai in the park. NASA Tower over there as well. And that one is Stonor Park. Okay, so those condos, of course, you get to enjoy very nice greenery. 50-acre KLCC Park. So instead of all buildings and concrete structures, right, you have a balance of a bit of green park space, you know, that's nice. So staying in KL Center area is not all concrete, so you can if you have the budget, right, and also if you're comfortable with a slightly higher price range, try to choose the units which is facing the KLCC Park, or maybe the Royal Selangor Golf Club, because those are probably some of the only green spaces in KL city center. Let's take a look at the facilities. The pool itself, you can actually swim all the way to the end. It's like a horizon, and you can actually touch, you can feel like you're touching the Twin Towers. And you have some nice cabanas there as well to sit down and soak in the views. So I think one thing that some of the units might be very, very close to Lee Novelle, which is just next to us. Yeah. So that's some of the disadvantages actually. And over here you have some nice trees as well. Small trees. It's raining, so I'm gonna get in. Let's take a look at the gym. Over here you have a meeting room as well, if you want to have any business meetings. That's the gym over there. Let's take a look. So I guess bathrooms also comes with washing area for you to wash up and bathe after a workout. Yep, it's Techno Gym. It's much more older equipments, but it's working very, very well. Okay. And over here, this would be children's area. Now the big question here, is K Residence a good buy? I guess whether you're an investor or you're someone looking for own stay or even a holiday home, it's a great place to stay. You guys talk about convenience. Convenience, you have the mall right under you, the groceries, pharmacies, money changer, and accessibility, guys. The LRT station, right, is just right under you as well. And if you want to go to the Twin Towers, you have an underground connection. You don't even need to get drenched in the rain actually when it's rainy season right now. Now, price per square foot here is also considerably much lower than a lot of other properties around here. You're looking at 1,000, 1,002 per square feet. And for penthouses, right, 8,000 square feet, which is very, very rare in KL City Centre, you're looking at around 2,700, 2,800 ringgit per square feet. Now, one disadvantage, of course, it's a much older building because it's completed in 2007. If you don't mind renovating, I think you're in good hands. After good renovation, and remind you, as you can see the facilities just now, it's quite basic. You don't have like fancy stuff like, you know, concierge service, a park, or, you know, very high-end amenities, but you have the basic stuff all there lah, and it's also very well maintained as well. Then if you can spend a bit of money on renovation, the layout, and with a good views, I think it's a good buy actually. And of course for investors, right, since this location is very, very close to landmarks, you can be rest assured that it holds value over time. Now, if you want to tour this location, anywhere, any properties around this location, you can give me a call, or if you want to check out K Residence itself, you can give me a call as well. Now, I think that's all for today. If you like the video, please remember to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel as well for more future property videos. Kelvin signing out. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.